Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Just in case you don't know me, I am Shruti and I talk about products which are related to makeup, skincare, and health. And today I have with me something for your skin. So today's topic is skincare. Okay, so I have with me three products from the brand Kiara Vedic. Two are soaps and one is a face moisturizer. I exactly don't remember the price of these products, but because I had purchased these a long time ago, so I don't remember the price, but I'll put the price on the screen. But I remember the chocolate one was approximately around 560. I remember that one, but the rest I'll put on the screen. Before getting into the details of these products, let's know a little about this brand Kiara Vedic. So about this brand Kiara Vedic, this is an Indian brand and the products of this brand are handmade, hand cut, and they are free from harmful chemicals like parabens, SLS and mineral oil, etc. So the products of this brand are very safe to use and you won't find any side effects after using these products. So as I told you, I have two soaps and one face moisturizer. So let's talk about this one by one. So this is the first soap and this is the neem antibacterial soap. Now I think this is the best time to use an antibacterial soap because summers are here and summers is equal to acne and pimples because we are sweaty and we sweat, especially like me, like I sweat a lot on my face. So this is the time when I get acne, small acne and all. So this is one of the best things. So this has neem oil, neem powder, camphor, and this has eucalyptus essential oil, this has turmeric essential oil, this has cinnamon oil, and this has all very good ingredients. Now this has neem oil and neem powder. Neem oil and neem powder are known to have antibacterial properties, antioxidants. This will not only prevent the onset of pimples on your face but will also remove any existing pimple on your face. Like I have a small acne over here and I have not applied any foundation on that because I don't want to worsen it. I don't apply makeup much. I just apply makeup while I'm doing a video. Otherwise I don't, like I never apply makeup. So this will be a test for this also because I have just used this once, I guess. Soap, yeah, once I've used. So I'll be trying it on my acne and I'll keep you updated how fast this removes my acne. Okay, this has cinnamon oil as well, and cinnamon oil actually helps in enhancing your complexion, and this will make your complexion look a little brighter and even toned. Yeah. This also has turmeric essential oil, and turmeric is known to have anti-acne properties and also antibacterial. Turmeric essential oil in it will help in reducing or removing your acne. Yeah. This has camphor, and camphor removes any kind of irritation or itchiness you have on your skin. Like as I told you, summers are already here, so this is the time when we get a lot of itches, like itching back scratches and all. So camphor in it will definitely soothe our skin and won't make you feel itchy, which is really good. This also has eucalyptus oil, and eucalyptus oil helps in soothing skin, especially if you have this tendency of sensitive inflamed skin like I have. So this eucalyptus oil will definitely help in soothing out your skin. So you can see this has a lot of good ingredients, and I don't know whether this is, I think this is cinnamon powder. I don't know what this is. And the smell is so good. If you have ever done an Ayurvedic massage on your body, like the typical Kerala massage, this somehow smells like that. It's a very soothing, therapeutic kind of a fragrance. No artificial fragrance at all. The fragrance in these soaps are from essential oils. They have not used any artificial fragrance in their soaps, which is absolutely good. Okay, so let's see the lathering quality of this soap. Okay, so this is the second soap, and this is the chocolate vanilla soap. You can see this looks so pretty. This looks very beautiful with these, swirls, vanilla swirls. This can, you can easily think that this is like a pastry or something. I guess this looks very beautiful. Okay, so this is a chocolate vanilla soap, as I already told you, and this is also not having any overpowering fragrance of chocolate and vanilla. The fragrance is very mild. Yeah, it's very mild. And so the ingredients this has are, this has wheat germ oil, this has jojoba oil, this has cocoa powder, this has chocolate clay, and this also has essential oils as fragrance. So about the wheat germ oil really helps in lightening your skin, and this also, wheat germ oil is also good for people who are having extremely dry skin, and also takes care of premature aging. And obviously if you have dry skin, the signs of premature aging will be visible on your skin, so this diminishes that, and this also gives a nice glow to your skin, the wheat germ oil. This has jojoba oil or jojoba oil, you can call it the way you want. That is an antibacterial and antioxidant that helps in removing the free radicals from your face, and thus giving you a nice healthy youthful glow. This has cocoa powder. A lot of people use cocoa powder as a face pack by saying that it reduces fine lines and wrinkles. That is absolutely true. Cocoa powder has detoxifying properties, and also this reduces fine lines and wrinkles, especially the fine lines around our eyes. It removes that. This also has chocolate clay, and chocolate clay helps in removing dead skin cells. It works as an exfoliator. If you have ever applied a chocolate clay on your face as a face mask, so you must be aware of the fact that after removing the mask, your skin feels really fresh and exfoliated. That is the same property of chocolate clay which this soap already has. I think this is a great buy, and also this has essential, and the fragrance which you are getting, that is from the essential oil. Again, the fragrance is quite mild and a little bit ayurvedic, a little bit vanilla, a little bit cocoa. Like, it's a mixture of a beautiful fragrance, mild and beautiful fragrance. Let's see the lathering quality of this one as well. So this is the third product, and this is a face moisturizer, and this is the first time I think I'm seeing a face moisturizer in the form of a pump, which is really very cute. This is the Advanced Deep Hydrating Sandalwood Oil Face Moisturizer, and this is specifically meant for dry skin people. So the ingredients are mentioned over here, that what all ingredients this has, and this has sandalwood oil. Sandalwood oil has antimicrobial and anti-tanning properties. And the second ingredient is vegetable glycerine. Vegetable glycerine actually soothes inflamed and irritated skin, and during summers, irritated and inflamed skin is very common. And this has shea butter. Shea butter is widely known to treat people who are having dry skin, and dry skin which is like extreme, like if you have, if your skin gets torn because of dry skin, that kind of skin also can be healed by using shea butter. And this has cold pressed olive oil. A cold pressed olive oil is actually very good, and it also helps in reversing sun damage or sun tanning, because sun tanning is something which doesn't go on its own. You need to do a lot of things to reverse sun damage. So if you apply this, and if you already have sun damage on your skin, on your body, on your face, that can be reversed if you constantly use this continuously for I think 1 month or so, and the quantity is also what good. Okay, so I'll show you. This has this locking mechanism. I locked it. This is a nice thick yellowish kind of moisturizer, and this smells exactly like sandalwood. Like, it feels as if you have applied sandalwood on your body or face. And this is a face moisturizer. I'm just showing you the texture of this because I have applied makeup on my face, so you can see. This absorbs pretty quickly. Oh, the fragrance is so good. And no stickiness. I think this is one of the best things. So these are the 3 products which I got from Kiara Vedic. So I would ask you to give these a try and see for yourself how good these products are, and you can clearly notice the difference in your skin tone and texture after using these products. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.